What's up, guys? I think it's day 3 now. Just got back from getting some coffee. It is currently 9:50. I traded the camera. I'm using a better camera. I hope it looks better. I don't know. We'll see if it's a little bit more to edit than transferring stuff off the iPhone. We are trading this morning, but haven't really seen any setups. I don't know if I talked about this at all or not. I will go to Forex Factory and check out the news for today. It doesn't look like nothing crazy today. I always check the news. Yep, I'm just gonna be patient and chug this black coffee that I got. One thing we definitely gotta do today is take that tree down. Let's see how that goes. It's in there for like 2 days now. Nothing is looking too crazy, man. Alright, on GU, I placed a sell. Touch that EMA is when I got in. And we're looking pretty good. You can see I'm in my stop loss. I am trailing it really hard. I am gonna be really aggressive here. Try to hit that take profit. New bearish candle on the 5-minute. It's kind of turning green. This is what the 1-minute looks like. Let's see if it'll stop me out. Come on, push down. 2 seconds. New candle. And we're out. Alright, $5 right there.
We are taking a trip to see the 7 wonders of the world. What are the 7 wonders of the world?
Morgan, did you clean her face?
Yeah, she doesn't like it.
She doesn't like it. The tree is coming down. And the tree is gone. I feel like the worst part is having to take everything down. So now I gotta climb up in the attic, put a couple Christmas stuff in there. My plan though is I'm gonna get all the bigger boxes and, you know, put them in the back and then put these smaller boxes kind of in the front. So whoever helps me next time, I hand them a bunch of small stuff and then at the very end, give them all the big stuff. Finished. I forgot to turn the light off up there.